Друзья, коллеги, последний день выставки, последний выпуск новостей именно с выставки, с этих площадей. Но новости не заканчиваются, наснимали и собрали информации довольно много. Сейчас Екатерина Петухова расскажет о том, что увидела сегодня, потому что сессии еще продолжаются. Это будет ее последнее личное включение, но не ослабляйте внимание к нашему каналу, потому что на нем еще появится много интересного, посвященного именно IBC 2022.
Дорогие коллеги и друзья, это наш крайний, но не последний выпуск с выставки IBC 2022. Мы проводили время очень хорошо, посещали открытые конференции и слушали про инновации. Здесь мы сейчас вам представим стенд, который получил награду IBC за лучший показ спортивных событий и за лучшие технические документы, технический доклад выставки. Вчера прошло вручение наград за лучшие стенды, за лучший показ и за инновации. Обо всех этих вещах мы вам напишем подробно в нашей статье. А сейчас не переключайтесь.
So, Mikhail, we have brought our hardware with us, Reality Engine Ampere. These are specially manufactured by Zero Density, by our engineers. And these are ultimate broadcasting machines that are available, okay? So, we have started our journey with the hardware part with the Ampere. And right now, as everyone's talk about, let's see the Traxxas that has won the NAB Award, Product of the Year, okay? This is the first stereoscopic talent tracking system where you don't need any beacons or any markers on your body. Currently it tracks only one person, but in the future it will track multiple people inside the virtual studio, okay? And the last part that I want to tell you is the tracking system that we have launched in IBC this year. It's our camera tracking system. Okay, and this is a cooperation with OptiTrack at this point. Okay, you can take the pictures of it, and there are the light lenses and cameras for OptiTrack. Other than that, you're already familiar with the hub. You know what we are doing with the hub, and the software is already in place. And soon we're going to launch Reality Engine 5. Okay, but basically this is it as new products at this point.
All right, guys, welcome at the stand of eGripment. We're standing here in front of one of our new products, actually. More about that maybe later, but one of the new products that we have is the mini jib, the telescopic mini jib. Before, eGripment had its own Jan jib fixed. There was a 75 centimeters version and a 1 meter 20 version. But we have now decided to make a new product and combine that into one. So this is a telescopic mini jib. It's a telescopic function, so the minimum arm reach, so that's calculated from the trunnion. The minimum arm reach is 75 centimeters. The maximum is 1 meter 20. It has six options in between, and the ability to be able to telescope this, and I will show you how it goes. You have one pin that will go down here. I will use an Allen key, but you can use whatever pin you like. It will go through. This is to avoid that the platform on the top will tilt down if I loosen these screws. Right now it's not really a problem, but if your camera is on with your lens, it will damage. So what we will do, we can just loosen these screws. I will not do it right now, but loosen the screw, loosen this screw, and loosen this screw. And what you can then do, as you have with crutches, I push this button, I turn it to the side, and then we're able to shove in the arm. So then I can shove it in to 75 centimeters. I attach everything back together, take out the pin, there you're good to go, but you're left with the balancing problem. So if I retract this, I have to take off counterweights. but we use 5 kilos and we use 5 kilos and 10 kilo weights. But sometimes you need 2 kilo. So what we can then do is this little turn wheel. If I turn this wheel this side, it will go out, the back side. If I turn it the other way, it will go in. It is for fine balancing reasons. That is basically the whole USPs of this jib. Now it is with the ball mount on top, but you can also do this as a remote section. And speaking about the remote section, if you turn a little bit, I will go to this side. This is the big brother. This is also the mini jib, but this is the mini jib long, whereas the previous one goes from 75 centimeters to 1 meter 20. This one goes from 1 meter 70 to 2 meter 50. So way longer, but also more suitable to be used with the remote head, for example. All right, this was Rick. I'm a sales manager from Equipment. Thanks, and I hope to see you back soon.
Выставка IBC с вами прощается, но не прощаются наши новости, как я уже говорил в начале. Их много, выпуски будут еще, отсюда узнаете много интересного. Пока.